Hey guys, welcome back to my This is a Wig series here on my channel where I show you guys wigs that look super realistic and look like they're coming straight out of your head. Today I have a wig from Raregen and her name is Bonnie and she's in the color 613. She's absolutely gorgeous. And if I just pull her hair back just for a second to show you guys this ponytail, this is thick. I don't know if you can see that. The top of the roots to the bottom of the hair, it is thick. So if you're looking for that luscious, beautiful, thick, stunning hair, blonde hair, this is going to be that wig. It is absolutely stunning. She's actually 18 inches long. She looks so much longer than that to me. She looks around like 20 inches, but she's 18 inches long. And their hairline, wow. Like if you're looking for a good wig, look at this hairline. It looks so realistic. There you go. The sun just went away a little bit and you can see this hairline looks so good. And if you look on the top, you can kind of see that it looks like a sculpt color. And that's because it has a monofilament inside. So what that basically means is that if you're not good at creating sculpt looks and you're worried about your wigs looking fake because of the sculpt line, this one already has it built inside. Let me show you exactly what it looks like in the inside so you can see that no matter where you part it, it has that sculpt look. So when I actually received this wig, it looked like this. I'll put it up on the screen. It was a 613 color, which a 613 color is gorgeous. Some people love that color, but for me, it was a little bit more yellowy and I knew it was coming in like that, but I knew that I wanted to use Shimmer Lights by Clairol Professionals to tone it out. So that's what exactly I did. I wanted that icy, beautiful, stunning color. So I filled up a bucket of water and I poured in the shampoo until the color of the water was like a nice darkish purple. And then I went ahead and I dunked in the whole wig. And at first I was so scared because I didn't know how this wig was gonna take it. And so I kept like dunking it in and rinsing out the water right away, dunking it in, rinsing it out. And I kept an eye on it to make sure it wasn't going like too grayish or greenish even. I didn't want that to happen, and so I didn't know what was already onto the wig, and so I didn't know how I was gonna have an outcome of it. So I did it for 2 minutes and then I dried that off and the color is stunning. If you guys love like a blonde look that's not icy blonde, but it's still like a really nice pretty blonde, after 2 minutes, this is the results that I got. And you can see it's such a pretty blonde, but I knew I wanted that icy color, so I went ahead and dunked it again. So I took the wig and I actually just put it straight into the water for 5 minutes and I let it soak in there. Every here and there I would like shake the wig so this way the water would go in between all of the hair and make sure that I wasn't leaving any spots out because I didn't want like yellow tones every here and there. And when I pulled it out, this is what I got. I went ahead and I dried it and it turned into this icy, beautiful, stunning color, the exact color I was going for. So if you guys want to know like how long I left it in there for, it was basically like, I would say leave it in for 5 minutes and then pull it out and see what it's like. But in all, I did leave it in there for like 7 minutes. So this is how the wig turned out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take off this wig, and I already did like a bald cap method. And if you guys want to see, like what I did was I used the HD wig cap and I basically just put on a little bit of foundation on top of it. So this way it kind of mixed in well. Whenever I lay the wig on, it kind of looks like it's my scalp and there's not any dark hair underneath because this is so white that if I would have put this on top of my hair, it would look like I had a lot of roots to be done. All right, so for this lace, what I like to do is I like to split this lace, like cut the lace in 3 different sections when the lace is this long because I can't see what I'm doing. And so I'll just cut off the excess of the lace and then I'll go from there. And what usually I like to do is I'll go in with Gotta Be Glue spray. So this stuff works wonders, okay? It's only a hairspray. It's not really glue. It's not going to damage your hair. And so what I'll do is I'll spray this around and I'll put the lace straight into it. And then I'll take a hair dryer. I won't use hot or cold. What I like to use is the warm setting. And this helps the lace and the glue blend together and it dries so quickly. So this way there's no bumps that happens, there's no mess like usually when I use foundation on my forehead or on my wig caps when I do the bald wig method. Oh my gosh, there's such a huge mess usually. And now that I use Gotta Be Glue spray and this lace, it didn't mess around with the foundation, which I was so thankful for, because with a blonde wig, that could have looked so messy. So that is just what I do. I take my time, I go section to section throughout my forehead and just make sure everything looks like it's actually coming from my scalp. And you can see this hairline is insane. The lace color was perfect for my skin tone. So if you have a similar skin tone to me, then this lace is everything. There's no knots showing. There's no lace bubbles. Like, you know, when you can see those little holes within the lace, there's nothing like that. If I show you guys a close up, you can see there's nothing. You can't even see it. So that is how exactly I glued down the wig. I love adding this mousse. It just makes the roots look like they're actually coming out of the head. I don't know what it is. It just kind of makes the hair not so fake looking. I love this mousse so much. So if you guys do not have it, definitely go pick some up. There's some on Amazon. I'll leave that link in the description down below if you guys want to pick some of this up, because it just makes the hair look like actual hair, like that you've been wearing all day, instead of making it look so, I don't know, wiggy. So this is what my new favorite thing has been for my wigs. But this is what the wig is looking like, guys. To me, this is stunning. It is beautiful. It looks so realistic. And if you guys have been looking for that icy blonde wig that is super thick, super luscious, like I do not have it all in the front. Let me just pull it all in the front for you guys. Look how thick this is. Ooh, I have a little bit of lace on me. Look how thick this hair is. It is gorgeous. Wow. And so let me just show you guys close-ups on everything I would have wanted to see if I was buying this wig. So let me show you the close-up of the hairline super, super close so you guys can see. And you guys can just see that it looks like it's coming out of my head. Like, you can't tell. This looks like it's coming out of my head. And you know how hard that is whenever you have black, like not black, but like dark brown. My hair is like really, really dark brown hair. And so this is crazy that I'm able to look like as if I am platinum. I'm a platinum icy blonde right now. And it looks so realistic. The wig, the monofilament underneath, looks so good. And then this usually, guys, okay, let's say this is usually a good amount of hair for one wig, but like it's got two. Like both sides are so thick that I think there's even more hair in the back. Yeah, okay, like this is a really, really thick wig. So if I show you the sides, this is what it looks like. So that is all I have for this wig. If you guys want this wig, I'll leave the links to this wig in my description box down below with a little discount code for you guys if I get one from the company. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this hair, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye, guys.